Hello, I am going to explain this pre-writing activity. It is an organizer that is going to help you brainstorm some ideas and figure out what you want to include in your paper for each paragraph. So this is going to help you organize your ideas before you sit down to write the first draft of your paper. This will help you a lot, so I encourage you to do this and take it seriously when you do it. So the first task is collecting criteria. So what guidelines, what requirements, what are the things that you need to include in this paper that you don't want to forget? So in the space below, write down all of the writing techniques or skills that we have been learning that will help you write the best draft, the best version of the paper that you can. And these are also areas that you can go see a tutor to have Luis or someone at the Writing Center help you with these areas. I give you ideas usually at the end of our class sessions for things that you could go see Luis for and get help with. Just some ideas. This paper, you will be required to write an introduction and a conclusion paragraph. You want to make sure to have good topic and concluding sentences for each paragraph. You want to make sure that you're writing your quotes correctly. You want to make sure that your paper is in MLA formatting. Anything that I gave you feedback on in your first paper, that is also something that you could write here. So moving on, so this is a table that will help you organize your ideas for each paragraph of the paper. So let's read the directions. Now that you will be writing a paper that is 5 paragraphs long, it will be very important to organize your ideas to have a clearly written paper. Here's a note. This is a brainstorm, so you're just thinking of lots of different ideas. You do not need to use every idea you put into this pre-writing activity. You do not need to use every idea in your paper, but you can pick the best ones to use. So this is an example. There's a space for you to write a good topic sentence. So this will help you not to forget to include really good topic sentences. Here's your ideas for this paragraph. So if you notice, these are not even complete sentences. So this is just a brainstorm of the ideas you can write about in this paragraph. What are some examples from our class materials that you can include in this paragraph? So here's where you can brainstorm some examples from class materials. And then here is a space for you to write a concluding sentence for this paragraph. So this way, it will help you to remember to include topic and concluding sentences. All right, so now that's an example. So down here, you're going to do this for each paragraph. So you're going to have an introduction paragraph. Here's where you will choose one of the 7 ways you learned, and you're going to brainstorm your ideas for the introduction paragraph. Here's body paragraph 1, 2, 3, and then a place for you to brainstorm how to write your conclusion paragraph. Okay, so try to fill this out completely. Spend some time on this, and it will make your time writing your paper much easier, much smoother, and your paper will be more organized.